Hello YouTube. So today I have with me a very unconventional piece of kit. This is the Bosch 26-piece screwdriver bit and ratchet set. I say unconventional because I fail to find any use for it. I got this kit complimentary with a power tool I purchased from a Bosch dealer. And as of today, this kit online is going for different prices on different websites. The cheapest I found was on ebay.in for 649 rupees. I don't know the MRP, it's nowhere mentioned, but I guess it should be around 1500 to 1900 bucks rupees. Interestingly, when I was checking some websites for the prices, I noticed that some of the reviews were very negative. Mostly from people who complained that this kit is too small for actual use and the pictures were deceiving. And I don't blame them. Most of the websites, the pictures are actually misleading and give you that and give the potential buyer an impression that this is bigger than what it actually is. So keep that in mind. I'll show you the dimensions. 5 inches by 4, 5 by 4 inches, roughly. So this is a plastic case. It's a see-through case. On the back side you have some details of the accessories and details of the kit itself. 26-piece Robert Bosch is made in China. You have this latch if you want to put this on your wall. Slides in for easy storage. So okay, now the insides. This is the ratchet handle. This is the ratchet wrench. It has a mirror finish. Yeah, prior to reviewing this, I actually had to lubricate the internals. There is no provision to disassemble this, so I what I did was dunk it in gear oil. So that actually it was the internals were completely jammed, so it did relieve the gears a bit, but still it's a bit, I mean, dodgy. It's not smooth. So the ratchet wrench itself, the build quality is good, but the same cannot be said for the ratcheting mechanism. It tends to jam still in operation, um, and it's definitely not meant for heavy use. I mean, see the size. I'll just give you a comparison. This is the ratchet wrench, and this is a 10 rupee coin. So get the idea. For using with this, with you do not. This does not has a quarter-inch head or something. This is just a bit adapter, a socket adapter. So to use it with a bit, you can either just use it like this, or use it with this adapter. This will just give you more length. So this is the ratcheting mechanism. It's very soft, but I can feel this is not smooth. It's still a bit stuck. Also the switching lever is not proper. Alright, now, and to use it with a socket, you will have to use this quarter-inch adapter provided. Okay, the accessories you have in total 24. 4 hexagonal sockets, you have 5 Torx bit, you have 3 flathead, you have 4 Phillips, you have 4 hex head, and 3 posit drive. This is the quarter inch adapter. In sockets you have 13, you have 10, you have 6, you have 8. Let's talk usability. I don't see any. This is my opinion, strictly my opinion. I don't see any use of this kit. uh, Bosch should have provided a ratcheting screwdriver like in the Tapadia BS80 kit I reviewed, instead of this tiny wrench. That could have made some sense. I mean, this is my suggestion. Still, I think some of you can make use out of this anyway. I thought of doing this review for buyers who want to know more on this kit or have some confusion regarding dimensions and or usability, and also because I noticed that this kit is selling like hotcakes. So here it is for you people. So I guess that will be all for the review. I think I covered every aspect. As usual, the purchase links will be in the description below. And thank you for your time. Namaskar.